Why do 50% of car owners believe myths that just aren't true? Let's debunk them. First up, premium gas always improves performance. Nope. Unless your car demands premium, regular gas does the trick. Electric cars are slow? Nah, some electrics zoom faster than sports cars and go 300 plus miles per charge. Cold mornings? You don't need a long warm-up. 30 seconds and you're good to roll. Red cars cost more to insure. False. Insurance rates depend on the car and driver, not the color. All-wheel drive is always better. Only in snow or off-road. For daily drives, two-wheel is just fine. Bigger cars are safer. Size doesn't matter. Design and safety features do. Manuals get better mileage. Modern automatics can be just as efficient, sometimes even better. SUVs rule off-road. Not always. Some are purely for city streets. Oil changes every 3,000 miles. Old news. Many cars now go 5,000 to 10,000 miles. More horsepower means a better car? Not exactly. Handling, torque, and suspension are key too. There you have it. Car myths, officially debunked.